are combining two medications. One of them is minoxidil, the other one is tretinoin. These two medications are superb in growing new hair in people who have never had any hair growth before. Right, this area, which is called the stratum corneum. The stratum corneum is the thick layer of maybe 7 cells thick on top of the scalp that almost nothing permeates, nothing penetrates that. What we have done is, because we have combined it with tretinoin and Retin A is a mild acid, what it does basically is it strips off the very, very, very top layer, a couple of cells thick, or maybe less than 1/100th of a centimeter, but it's enough to allow the penetration of the actual medication down here to the hair follicle. To the hair follicle where it does its work. What it does here, it increases the absorption of minoxidil and Retin A, and what it does, it opens these arteries. These arteries in people with alopecia areata or male pattern baldness are blocked. They're blocked, and there's no blood supply. And what happens to the hair follicle, you see here a normal hair follicle, but what happens to the hair follicle, it shrinks, it becomes very, very tiny. So it loses its ability to produce a normal hair.
Now you've noticed definite results. This works.
Absolutely. I used to have a big bald area here, and I was actually one of my first patients, and I used it on myself, and now, as you can see, I have a full head of hair.
Show me the product that you're talking about.
This is a product. This is one of the products that we use. This is a lotion, 12.5% minoxidil Retin A lotion. It's called Remox 2. We've just developed this about 6 months ago. And what this does, it produces hair growth in those areas which are the hardest areas of all to grow hair in, which is the frontal area. The frontal, people have frontal recession. Well, what this is a lotion. It's a perfectly water-soluble lotion, and you just pump it in your hand like this, as you could see it, and then you just rub it in very lightly into your skin. It's totally absorbed within a couple of minutes, and it's not greasy. It's like very easy to apply, because this is just a formulated in the form of a perfectly absorbed cosmetic hairspray. The spray is suited best for anyone. This is used in all cases,
men or women.
Men or women. Women do excellently. We have a 95% success rate in women. We have over 90% success rate in men in regrowing new hair.
My problem started almost 20 years ago. I started losing my hair, and I thought it was because of switching from one chemical straightener to another, and it started at the top of my head and continued to proceed for about a good 15 years until it was all gone at the top.
And what brought you to Dr. Klein? How did you find out about him?
I found Dr. Klein through the internet, and I came to him because I realized that in the 21st century, if we're able to clone and make another human being, that maybe by now we have something that could help me.
So when you came to Dr. Klein, what did he tell you?
Dr. Klein looked me in my eyes and guaranteed me that he could grow my hair back on my head.
And it's working.
Yes.
Jean is Patricia's mom. And when you came here, you really were having a hair problem too, weren't you?
Yes, I was.
How bad was your hair?
It was almost as bad as hers, maybe not as wide as hers, but I really came just to support her. I was having a problem, but I'm older, so I just accept it as a problem. But she was so young, and she thought it would help, so I came really to support her. And then I said I'd try it too.
So what kind of result have you experienced?
So to my surprise, my hair is growing.
Doctor, they seem to be having very good success with this. Is this similar to many of your other patients?
Everyone is having wonderful success with this.
I mean, obviously, there must be some people that it doesn't work on, I would assume.
Yes.
Nothing is perfect.
Unfortunately, it's not a magic bullet. No, it's not a magic pill.
But for the majority of people who've had a problem, this is
the best treatment.
It's the best solution you know of.
So there you are, the very interesting story of this product developed by Dr. Oscar Klein here at the Physicians Hair Growth Center.
On behalf of our entire staff, I'm Jim Lang.
And I'm Bella Shaw. Thank you so much for watching.